It was a pitch-black night that struck terror into every living heart. Screams filled the air as families fled, leaving their homes behind.
Hey, we gotta go now. We can't stay here.
In that split second of light, a heartbreaking sight was revealed. Surrounded by the dance of death, this innocent soul stood shaking. And then, in the darkness of despair,
Captain Miller's sharp eyes had spotted the shivering creature.
Team, gear up! We are fighting nature tonight! No life gets left behind. Not human, not animal.
the waves were massive, tossing the boat around like a toy.
Hold on, it's getting rough! Woo! Woo!
The path ahead was nothing less than a death trap.
For a second, the boat nearly capsized, threatening to end it all.
But their courage was far stronger than the storm.
Their eyes were locked on that one tiny life.
The water touched the roof. Death was inches away.
Come on, you can do it.
Save me.
But nature had one last cruel test.
Hurry! The structure is collapsing!
It's too late. We're not gonna make it. Not gonna make it.
Rescuer Alex stood up, ignoring the danger. But the gap was too wide, and death stood in between. It's now or never.
Just as the puppy fell, Alex snatched him from the air.
Shh, you're safe now.
But now, Alex was hanging on the wall, and the water was rising.
Roar!
We got you, man. You're safe now. Oh, what happened, little fella? You're safe now.
He looked up and gently licked Alex's hand. Even the toughest rescuers wiped away a tear.
Hey, buddy, it's okay. You're safe now.
The storm raged on, but it had lost this battle.
That night proved the Savior is always stronger than the storm. They named the survivor Lucky.
This wasn't just about a dog, it was about humanity.
It taught us that courage can part the darkest waters.
And on that dark night, love defeated fear.